Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Simply for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but if you will decide that you want to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some additional charges. So let's go to the settings and then scroll down to almost very bottom to find the system. And right here we've got this option, software update, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the information whether our device is up to date or not, but if you wish you can check it manually. Just go to the system update and your device will check for the updates. You can tap on it again and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.